office and all the tourist places has been closed. Tourist place will open at 8:30 to 9, and office hour will be open at 10 o'clock. This is the Brahmaputra river. I wanted to try this, that ferry, or what we call a boat. TAJANG.
TAJANG.
TAJANG आई नहीं होगा. हाँ. J अभी लिखा JANG. तजांग.
अच्छा मोबाइल नंबर बोले 717.
हाँ.
Only one. आप ही है ना?
हाँ हम ही है. आके विजिट कर सकते हैं ना डायरेक्ट वापस ना.
आने का उधर में मिलेगा.
टिकट वहाँ से है ना. 3 rupees है ना. 3 rupees.
Only 3 rupees.
Thank you.
Okay.
So this is the ticket. So finally, after a lot of I was in a struggle, but I wanted to try this. So yes, I'm trying this right now. So this is the boat. Finally contact. This is the chart. So we have so many seats around here. Okay. Wow. What? Come on, man. Bathroom इतना गंदा है. Yeah. And this is the life jacket. Yes. Now I'll just wait when this ship boat will leave. Boat will leave at 7 o'clock, and now not 7 o'clock, 7:30 maybe. But whenever it's go, I thought, yes, one thing, like I really wanted to try this because this is something new. I'm glad, like I didn't went to my friend's rent. Instead of that, I'm here. Instead of that, I'm here looking for something new. Yes, I really like it. Okay. Yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. We are leaving now, and I have met one more friend. आपका नाम क्या है?
तपस दास.
तापस दास. आप तो अरुणाचल गए हैं ना? नहीं गए ना?
असम गए.
असम पे है ना? मतलब अरुणाचल गए?
नहीं गया.
नहीं गया. और आओ ना, एक बार आओ, कांटेक्ट करो. Wow. ट्रेवलिंग कर रहा जैसे भी नहीं है. नहीं क्या, ऐसे जा रहा जैसे भी नहीं लग रहा है. क्या बोलेगा सर? फेरी बोलेगा ना? क्या बोलेगा? फेरी है ना. हम वहाँ में बहुत पूछा था. तो लाइक हम 4 बजे को आया था ना. 4 बजे को आने के बाद फिर उसमें बहुत पूछा था, बट पूछने के बाद हमको मिला ही नहीं. क्या हम कहाँ मिलेगा किसे ढूंढ रहा था. तो फिर वहाँ से हम गूगल मैप से ढूंढ के यहाँ में आया था. तो इसको आते हुए देखा था. फिर आते हुए देखा था तो देखिए वहाँ से बाइक
भी बहुत कम है.
हाँ, प्राइस बहुत कम है. तो 3 रुपीज़ सिर्फ है ना. वहाँ से बाइक ऊपर उतरा था. तो फिर ओके, हम एक बार ट्राई करेगा ओके ना. तो आया था. तो फिर चलो वहाँ से एक भैया जो टिकट दे दिया था, मतलब बहुत genuinely हो गया but ऐसा रहा है जा रहा जैसे भी नहीं है Now I feel like I'm moving because nobody is here and I am very free. As you can see, it's moving. Oh my God! Like I love this. See. You know why I came here? I came here because I could speak freely. Because down there, like those people were watching me, and like they were watching me because I was speaking in front of the camera, and I thought that, bro, like if you see me, like if you stare me while I'm talking to the camera, so like come on, man, I will get nervous. Yeah, that was I was very nervous. It's okay, I will learn everything what I can do, what I cannot do. But until then, you guys can see I'm enjoying right here. Yes. And we are about to reach the other side of our plane, what we call port, a small port. But it's very dirty. I don't like. It's very dirty. See, it's too dirty. Sorry, मालूम नहीं था. We are about to reach the other side of the shore, and everybody is getting ready to start their vehicle and move to the other side. From here, there to from there, it connects. Yeah, everybody is getting ready. That's our control room. Yeah, and those people are ready to get in. And our brother, he is going to tie the rope to the other boat. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, come on. Yeah, little by little. Those people were watching me when I was talking to the camera. Talking to the moon. I wanna be far away. See. Come on. Bam. Those bikes will go from there, and those people will come back here. Yeah, it's only 3 rupees. It's very cheap. Yeah, it's very cheap. It's only 3 rupees. 3 rupees. Come on. Come on, it's going to hit, it's going to hit, it's going to hit. It's going to hit. And another Bhaiya is going to tie the rope there. Okay, let's go. Now they are going to move. Yeah, move on. Yeah, go, go, go. I want to try that. Okay, let's go back. Now I don't know where am I going to go, where am I going to stay. मैं कौन हूँ, मैं कहाँ हूँ, मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ मालूम नहीं.